So in this video, I'll be showing you how to screen record on your Nintendo Switch 2. So first of all, you need to ensure that the game that you wish to screen record is supporting this feature. You'll notice some games don't support that, so every time you try going to screen record, it doesn't allow you to. So just ensure that the game you're trying to screen record supports that feature. So go ahead and launch the game. And then just wait for it to boot up. And so once the game has loaded, you can just boot up, let's say, for example, a map or a race. And then from here, once you've now started to play a game and you're ready to screen record, what you're going to do is just press on this button right here. So it's the button underneath the arrow buttons. So this one right here, it's in the form of a circle. And what you're going to do is just long press on it. One single press normally takes a screenshot, and you can see capture taken. But if you long press on it, you can see it's saving the screen recording. However, bear in mind that the screen recording is only the last 30 seconds that it's captured. So say for example, you're racing and you want to capture like the previous 30 seconds. What you're going to do is just press on that same button to capture the screen recording. Then you'll see capture taken. And now if you ever want to view it, you're going to go back to the home screen. And in the home screen, the first thing that you'll see is your screen recording. But if you don't see it, then you're going to just navigate to album. And then under album, you'll see your screen recording being saved right there. And so what you're going to do is simply just select it, and it will automatically start playing that screen recording that you've taken. Again, bear in mind, it only just captures the previous 30 seconds and not from when you actually press on that button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.